Much like your business, HoneyBook runs on projects. They're the foundation on which we build the rest of our awesome features. Projects serve as the folder in which you create and contain everything related to an event. You can create and send files, email your client directly, track your time and tasks, and more. Creating a new project takes just a few quick steps. First, from your dashboard, click the New button and select New Project. Enter the project title and type. The title should be clear and make sense to you, but since your client will also be able to see it, make sure it sounds professional. Also, remember that you can customize your project types in your company settings, so these options can match your specific business services. Now, fill in any other relevant project details that you have, like the venue, date, lead source, etc. Click Next. Now, you'll be prompted to add a participant to the project. The participant is the contact who receives all files and other communication you send through HoneyBook, so this will likely be your client. You can skip this for now if you don't have the contact info yet, but it's a good idea to fill it in if you have it. Once you've added all the info that you have, click Add. And with that, you've created a project. You can now create and send files like invoices and contracts, email your client right through the activity feed of the project, and more.